Start with boiling the cream. I'm keeping some of the cream so that we'll add corn flour, castor sugar together and make a slurry out of it. This is the castor sugar, corn flour, meanwhile stir this also. I'm adding the castor sugar and corn flour mixture to the cream. Make a slurry. Don't let the cream burn, so keep stirring. Now I'm adding the corn flour, castor sugar and cream ka slurry into this. This will thicken the entire process. Break the lumps, it has to be even. Now we are adding egg, the entire whole egg to egg yolk. We'll add some vanilla essence to the egg, mix it well. Add the entire mixture to the cream. Now this is thickened. We'll add lemon juice according to the taste. Transfer the mixture into another bowl. Stir it well again. We'll add little yellow color to this.